Members of Parliament from over 60 constituencies were on Tuesday served with court papers challenging the controversial Constitution Amendment Bill Number 3 as opponents intensified efforts to stop the proposed changes from becoming law. Sarabina Mashkubra urges voters to sue MPs, oppose extension of presidential and parliamentary terms to oversubscribe like on the bill. Tipina Manao Panapa Manamo Brown. The applications filed in Constitutional Court by voters from constituencies across the country seek an order compelling the government to subject the proposed constitutional amendments to a national referendum before Parliament proceeds further. The source said 210 applications had been filed, but only 67 MPs had been served so far. The legal challenge comes as the government pushes ahead with CAB3, a bill that seeks to extend the terms of office of the President, members of Parliament and local authorities from 5 to 7 years. The bill also proposes replacing direct presidential elections with a system under which the President would be elected by MPs sitting jointly as the National Assembly and Senate. In one of the applications, Gokwe Kana Votani Bati ATAURA argues that Parliament cannot lawfully extend the tenure of sitting legislators through a constitutional amendment. ATAURA argues that the proposed amendments violate Section 328 of the Constitution, which prevents office bearers from benefiting from changes to term limits during their current tenure. The applicants further contend that transferring the election of the President from voters to Parliament would undermine political rights protected under Section 67 of the Constitution. The court challenge adds to growing controversy surrounding CAB3, which was gazetted in February and subsequently subjected to public hearings that were made by allegations of intimidation, violence, and the exclusion of dissenting voices. Toma developments are kudapangwa in a comment section made to follow a or to give us a page. So subscribe or like on the bell icon.